Hello everyone! Welcome back to Medulla RPA. In today's tutorial, we're going to automate a Facebook login test and validate error messages using Medulla RPA. We'll be working with an Excel sheet that contains test data for two scenarios: invalid email and missing password. Our goal is to enter each test case into Facebook, click Login, and then verify the error message that appears. For example, Facebook displays: the password you have entered is incorrect. Let's get started. Step 1. Import Excel test data first. Open Medulla RPA. Click on Read Data from Excel. Select your Excel file and enter the sheet name. You'll notice a default value under Data Table Name. It's called Excel Data List. This name is not editable, and we'll use it to loop through each row in the Excel sheet. Step 2. Add for each loop next. Click for each loop. Here we have two non-editable fields: loop variable, data table, collection value, Excel data list. This means that Medulla RPA will automatically iterate through each row from the Excel file using the variable data table. Step 3. Launch Facebook login page. Now add an open URL step and enter facebook.com/login, then add a wait page load activity, just to ensure the page loads fully before we continue. Step 4. Enter email and password at a send text message action for the email field. Switch to your browser, copy the XPath for the email input field, and paste it into Medulla RPA. Since we want to read the value from Excel, use datatable.get email. Repeat the same step for the password field using its XPath and datatable.get password. Step 5. Wait for error message at a sleep activity with 3000 milliseconds, so the page gets time to display the error. Step 6. Capture error message from web page at Get Element Text Selector. Go to the browser, copy the XPath of the error message container, and paste it into Medulla RPA. This will store the extracted message into a variable. Let's call it error. Step 7. Validate error message. Now comes the most important part, verification. Add an if condition block. Inside the condition, you can write error contains data table to get error, or you can directly check for the expected text, like error contains the password you entered is incorrect. If the validation is successful, print data table.get case is passed. Step 8. Close loops and run the bot. Don't forget to close the if block and the for each loop. Save your RPA flow and hit run. Medulla RPA will now test each row from the Excel sheet and display pass/fail results. Display pass/fail results. Outro, and that's it. You just learned how to automate a Facebook login error test using Medulla RPA with Excel-based data-driven testing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching.